Namaskaram, Namaste, Vanakkam. So I'm sure you must have practiced yesterday and a. So today we are going to look at the words that has a sound in it. But before we begin, a little preview of what we learnt yesterday in the video. It is how to write a and a. Very simple technique. Please go through this once again and then we'll start with our recitation of words. The words which has a sound in it, like k and b together, it's cub. So when we write it in English, we write it K-A-B, cub, just to understand the pronunciation. But the right thing is, the sound a is there in k as well as in b. K plus a plus b plus a, that is cub. That is k plus a plus b plus a. That is k plus a plus b plus a. That is cub. So to make it easy, I have just written k and b, k and b. So when you see k and b, you have to pronounce cub. That is how in Hindi we pronounce cub, rub, tab, sub, jab, tub, ab. So ka, ba, cub, ra, ba, rub, ta, ba, tab, sa, ba, sub, ja, ba, jab, ta, ba, tub, a, ba, ab. So let's look at it again in English. K, B, that is k, b, cub. R, B, that is r, b, rub. T, H, that is ta, b, b, tub. Sa, S, B, sa, b, sub. J, B, jab, that is J is ja, B is b. T is ta, B is b. Tub, a, b, ab. A is a, B is b, ab. Next, go to the next line. It's 3-letter word. I have taken G as g sound. Okay. So a, G is g, R is r, agar. So in Hindi it is a, g, r, agar. So when there are letters like this, a, g, r, it's agar. A has a sound in it, g has a sound in it, r has a sound in it. It's agar. Next is M, G, R. That is M is ma, G is g, R is r. So ma, g, r, magar. Next word is D. D I have taken for d. G, g, R, r. D, g, r, dagar. N is na, G is g, R is r, nagar. Na, g, r, nagar. Last word in 3 letters is sa, fa, r, suffer. S is sa, F is fa, R is r, suffer. Let's look at it again. A, g, r is agar. A, G, R is agar. M, G, R, ma, g, r is magar. D, G, R, that is d, g, r, dagar. N, G, R is na, g, r, nagar. S, F, R, that is sa. Let us look at now 4-letter words which has a sound. That is a, j, r, j. First word is achraj. It is a, c, sa, sorry, c, ch. In English, I have used letters A for a sound, ch for ch sound, r for r sound, and j for j sound. So it's pronounced a, ch, ch, r, j, acharaj. Second word is a, j, g, r, ajgar. A for a, j for j, g for g, r for r. So you pronounce it like this: a, j, g, r, ajgar. Third word is B for b, R for r, G for g, D for the. I'm sorry, it should be DH, the. Bargad, baragad, bargad. Again, S for sa, R for r, H for her, and DH for the. Sarhad. So keep practicing, listen to my pronunciations and keep practicing it. And I have kept one slide only with Hindi letters, and see, it's a visual test for you. If you can remember those letters, just try to see if you can pronounce it without English help, English letters, and then keep practicing and wait for my next video that is about E and E. Thank you so much. Hope it was useful. You can make requests, you can give your feedbacks, you can comment so that I can improve the way I teach. Thank you so much. Hope my videos and my worksheets will help you improve your Hindi, of course, speaking and writing. Thank you. In the description box, you can see worksheets are, I have given the links for worksheets, and you can do it in the free time. Hope these worksheets will help you improve your Hindi.